Advancement in drone technology and applications. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest advancement in technology. In today's video, we'll delve into an exciting topic that has been revolutionizing various industries: advancement in drone technology and their wide range of applications. Join me as we uncover the incredible potential and impact of this rapidly evolving technology. Drone technology. Before we delve into the advancement, let's start with a brief introduction to drone technology. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicle, are remotely operated aircraft that have gained immense popularity due to their versatility and capabilities. They are equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and navigation systems, enabling them to perform a multitude of tasks. Drones in photography and videography. One of the most popular applications of drone is in the field of photography and videography. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras offer breathtaking aerial shots and perspectives that were previously inaccessible, from capturing stunning landscapes to documenting special events and even assisting in filmmaking. Drones have transformed the way we capture visual content. Drones in agriculture. The agriculture industry has greatly benefited from drone technology. Drones equipped with specialized sensor and imaging technology can monitor crops, collect data on plant health, and identify areas of concern. The valuable information helps farmers optimize their farming practices, improve crop yields, and reduce resource wastage. Drones in infrastructure. Drones in infrastructure inspection. Another area where drones have made significant advancement is in infrastructure inspection. Traditional method of inspecting bridges, buildings, and other structures can be time-consuming, costly, and even dangerous. Drones equipped with high-definition cameras and thermal imaging capabilities can conduct inspection more efficiently, providing detailed visual data and detecting potential issues before they escalate. Drones in search and rescue operations. Drones have become invaluable tool in search and rescue operations. Equipped with thermal cameras and advanced sensors, they can cover large areas quickly, locate missing individuals, and provide real-time data to aid in rescue efforts. Drones have proven to be instrumental in saving lives during natural disasters, accidents, and other emergency situations. Drones in delivery and logistics. The delivery and logistics industries has also been transformed by drone technology, with companies like Amazon and other major players experimenting with drone delivery services. The future of efficient and fast package delivery is taking flight. Drone can navigate through traffic, deliver small packages to remote areas, and potentially reduce delivery times significantly. Advances in drone technology. Now, let's discuss the recent advances in drone technology that are driving these applications forward. One notable advancement is the improvement in battery life, allowing drones to stay in the air for longer durations. Additionally, there have been significant development in obstacle avoidance systems, autonomous flight capabilities, and increased payload capacities. Integration of AI and machine learning. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning has further enhanced the capabilities of drones. AI algorithms enable drones to analyze data in real time, make intelligent decisions, and adapt to changing environments. This integration has opened up possibilities for more precise mapping, autonomous navigation, and even swarm intelligence, where multiple drones can work together to accomplish complex tasks. As we look to the future, the potential for drone technology seems limitless. We can expect to see advancement in areas such as delivery drones, aerial taxis, surveillance and security applications, and even drone swarm technology for large-scale operations. The ongoing research and development efforts are constantly pushing the boundaries of what drones can achieve.